Do you want some security tips to keep or to use Google Keep safely? Well, like any other Google account, as your Google account is directly associated to Google Keep, you want to secure your Google account. Well, what you can do is you can head into your browser and you can head into safety.google.com. Now here, what you can do is you can log into your account and you can go through the various security options for your account. Well, you can see content safety, family safety, you can see security and privacy here, privacy controls and such. You can go through it to view it. Now, what you can do is there are certain tools and tips to help you stay online, safe online. You can take the security checkup under this page here. Similarly, you can enable two-step verification to defend against hackers. It's the best. The two-step verification is best to defend against hackers. You also want to make sure that you use strong password and don't use common password for all your accounts. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.